Welcome to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the latest and greatest products to help you make informed decisions. Today, we're talking about what many are calling the best monkey mask for adults. The Monkey Mask Latex Full Head Animal Black Chimp Mask. Whether you're gearing up for Halloween or a fun party, this mask promises to elevate your costume to the next level. This full-head chimpanzee mask is crafted from premium natural latex, making it both durable and long-lasting. It's designed to provide an incredibly lifelike appearance, complete with a thick rubber latex texture that mimics the realistic look of a chimp's face. The mask is also carefully crafted with delicate detailing, including black microfiber fur and realistic ears, which gives it an extra edge and authenticity. One of the standout features of this mask is its size and comfort. It's designed to fit most adults comfortably, with enough room to wear on and off easily. If you find that the eye holes are a little too small for your liking, you can customize them by cutting them to your desired size. It's a great option for those who want a mask that not only looks good but is also practical to wear for extended periods. When it comes to versatility, this monkey mask is perfect for a variety of occasions. Whether it's Halloween, a costume party, a photo booth, or even a stage performance, this mask will definitely steal the show. Its high-quality craftsmanship ensures that it won't easily lose shape, and the latex material provides a nice stretch for a snug but comfortable fit. However, like any product, it's not without its quirks. Some users mention that the mask has a strong rubber odor initially, but this is typical of latex products and should fade with time. Additionally, breathing and visibility can be a bit tricky in such a detailed full-head mask, but with a little adjustment, it's something most users can manage. At Product Critique, we believe that this monkey mask is a solid choice for anyone looking to stand out at their next event. It combines lifelike design with comfort, durability, and versatility. Whether you're dressing up for fun or looking for the perfect finishing touch to your Halloween costume, this mask won't disappoint. That's all for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews, and drop your comments below if you have any questions or thoughts on the mask. Thanks for watching.